Hey, it's John-Marc, and I wanted to say thanks for checking out this latest video. Well, as you may be watching on your screen right now and wondering what type of a dog that is if you're an old timer like me, you would easily know. This is Marvin the Martian from the Warner Brothers character, his dog. That's right. So it's a very simple character to draw, and I thought it'd be a fun lesson for today. So if you have your paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.